We begin in Fort Worth, where the high-profile federal trial connected to the July 4th shooting at the Prairieland Immigration Detention Center is now underway. 9 defendants face federal charges in this case. Our Lauren Crawford is outside the federal courthouse in Fort Worth, where the trial began just after 9 o'clock this morning. So, Lauren, tell us what's happening inside the courtroom right now.
Hi, Karen. Well, I just stepped out of that federal courthouse and we saw the jury selection, which has been underway since about 9:30 this morning. And just to give you an idea of the amount of people that are inside, we were sent to the overflow room on the 4th floor to watch on the monitors. It is a packed house in there, and this is expected to go into the afternoon for the jury selection. Now, as we've been talking about, this is a complex trial involving 9 defendants, and the judge expects this to go 2.5 to 3 weeks long. Now, the case stems from a July 4th incident outside of the Prairieland Immigration Detention Center in Alvarado. Investigators say a group of people vandalized vehicles and security cameras in the parking lot. Then several began shooting at an Alvarado police officer responding to the facility. That officer was struck in the neck but survived. And federal prosecutors later identified the suspects as members of a North Texas Antifa cell. 9 defendants are on trial facing a range of federal charges, including attempted murder of federal officer, while 5 others have already pleaded guilty in connection with the case. Some defendants who pleaded guilty could still testify, potentially shaping how this trial unfolds. Legal experts that I spoke with say that some may also cooperate with prosecutors in hopes of a reduced sentence.
One or more of those defendants may, try to earn a 5K by providing assistance to the government, could testify, could provide evidence, all those sorts of things. So you'll just have to see if any of those who have pled guilty end up on the witness stand.
Now, it is worth mentioning that there are at least 50 witnesses within law enforcement inside. They will be called in individually to give their testimony so that each can have their own testimony and not be impacted by others. We're told that there will be 15 members on the jury, and this is, again, expected to take into the afternoon, and opening statements could possibly start either later today or possibly even tomorrow. But we do have another team inside, and we'll be bringing you those updates as soon as we get them. Live in Fort Worth, Lauren Crawford, CBS News, Texas.